The McDonnell XP-67 Moonbat was the first complete aircraft designed and built by the young McDonnell Aircraft Corporation. Its origins trace back to 1939 to 1940, when the United States Army Air Corps issued Request for Proposal R-40C, calling for a fast, long-range, high-altitude interceptor with unconventional features. James Smith McDonnell, having just founded his company in St. Louis in 1939, saw this as an opportunity to enter the aircraft manufacturing world. McDonnell's first proposal, Model 1, placed a single Allison V3420 engine in the fuselage to drive twin pusher propellers in the wings. The configuration was bold but mechanically risky, and the project placed 21st out of 23 submissions. Despite rejection, the Army recognized the company's potential and encouraged further work. McDonnell refined the concept into Model 2, then Model 2A. The layout shifted to a more conventional pair of wing-mounted engines, but the airframe kept advanced aerodynamic shaping. A fuselage blended into the wings, smoothly faired nacelles, and laminar flow surfaces demanding extremely precise construction. In 1941, the Army ordered 2 prototypes under the designation XP-67. The planned aircraft featured a pressurized cockpit and 6 37mm M4 cannons. Power came from 2 experimental Continental XI-1430 engines with turbo superchargers. Persistent shortages, heat management issues, and disappointing power output plagued the program from the beginning. Cooling duct redesigns, nacelle modifications, and tailplane relocation consumed valuable time. The first XP-67 flew on the 6th of January 1944, but suffered from chronic engine troubles. Test pilots reported stable handling at moderate speeds, light controls, but weak climb, slow acceleration, and worrying stall behavior. The prototype reached only 405 miles per hour, far below the promised 472 miles per hour, and never matched the performance of contemporary fighters like the P-51. On the 6th of September 1944, the starboard engine caught fire. Test pilot Everett Edward Elliott landed safely, but the flames destroyed the aircraft. With the second prototype only 15% complete and jet propulsion rapidly advancing, the Army canceled the program in October 1944. No airframe survives today, yet the XP-67 remains notable for its ambitious aerodynamic blending, its dramatic bat-wing appearance, and its role as McDonnell's first attempt to become a full aircraft manufacturer, laying the groundwork for later successes such as the F-H-1 Phantom, F-4 Phantom II, and F-15.